So I got this crane. I'll put tires on it to pick up logs and rocks. And of course I've completely ruined it, bending it, and we're going to try to fix it. Alright, so there it is, good and buckled. It's long, but if hot air runs down that tube, the whole thing gets hot. Pretty much packed full. Get this thing started. I got a mandrel here. I tapered it on the mill. So we're going to try to drive that in. And then it should bring out that buckling and make it straight again. I'm hoping to do it in one heat. We'll see. My dirt's quite failing just a little bit. It's starting to bring some air through here. So I'm going to try to get this done. Yeah, it's getting hot. I'm going to try to get this done as fast as I can. I'll turn this down. There goes the dirt. Okay. I'm going to try to bump this up against the wall. See if I can pound on it that way. Good hits on it. Golly, it's probably never going to come out. go. Here it is. You can see there's still a pretty good dimple in it, but it's a lot straighter than it was. I think if I do it again, and I'm sure it'll buckle again the way this is, I'm gonna just cut this and weld new tube on. Fun little experiment, but I think there's only so many times you can correct that.